One of the best ways to get an interview and a job offer is to network with people in your career field or pathway. Look for in-person and online networking opportunities. For example, network in person by building future relationships while in school. An online example, on the other hand, is using social media to network with professionals and employers.
The Illinois workNet Virtual Job Club, a social networking group, helps you connect to professionals, employers, and events in your community.
Employers are encouraged to participate in the group by posting jobs, sharing advice in job seekers, recruiting employees, and sharing industry information.
Job seekers should be aware that employers use these online search engines and social media to screen their potential employees. So, it's important to maintain a professional social media presence.
Remember, networking is an essential, rewarding skill that connects you to people, resources, and future opportunities.
Keep in mind that good relationships are never one way. They require you to participate. Explore Illinois workNet for guidance on how to make the most of your networking experience.